let's see if we could take this broken Christmas tray and make it into something super farmhouse cute. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I got this Christmas tray at Dollar General for 90% off. It's normally $5, and yeah, 90% off, but it had this stupid ding in it. So I decided to see if I could fix it. So I took some wood glue and I kind of see how there are like layers of particle board or whatever. I just started squirting the wood glue in there, and then I took a brush to kind of shove the glue in further. I put a piece of parchment paper on it, and then I took a clamp, and I put it on that. And I let it dry for 24 hours. Take off my paper, and then I painted it and sanded it. And I'll be honest, I'm not mad. I think it's salvageable, but it's still present. So I decided, all right, let's paint the bottom of our tray. And I have this contact paper from Walmart. It is Pioneer Woman contact paper. Then I decided, let's paint the bottom white just so that it doesn't show through with dark underneath. And then I'm putting the contact paper on the bottom. And this was so satisfying. I got to admit, it was like, I loved it. This is just a scraper with felt put on it. And all I'm doing right now is just making sure that there are no bubbles or bumps or whatever. And so I'm just pulling the backer off as I rub the top part down, if that makes sense. Just be wise to this, that this contact paper is super easy to tear. Ask me how I know that. But I love it. Look at this, super pretty. And it goes with Valentine's Day if you wanted to do that. I didn't cut it out perfect. Yeah, I know. And so I went and just take an X-Acto knife and a ruler and I just shorted up. So here's where my project went to a place that I don't often go. Frustration and questioning all the decisions I've made in my life. I decided that I was going to take some really small wood beads and lace them onto some jute so that we could put it on the inside of the tray. There are a lot of little wood beads. I've never used this size wood bead, so I thought, I'll be using this up and saving the tray, and it'll be great. It took so long, and I don't even know if it was actually necessary to do that step. But, I was committed at this point. I'd already spent a ton of time. So I decided, all right, let's just glue it to the inside of the tray, which is what I'm doing here. I'm just putting a bead of hot glue and then pressing in the wood beads, making sure to get into the corner. Easy peasy. And then I got to the edge and I decided I was going to use a tassel from a clearance wood bead garland that I'd gotten at Dollar General. And I'm just gluing it where that nasty part was. I mean, it's better, but it was still obvious that it was broken. And stop it. Like, I feel like it's recovered. I like it. It's farmhouse country. I love it. I think it's really cute. You can't see the part that was messed up. And I had to add in, I put some candles on mine because hello, super cute. But anyways, friends, I'm so excited. Except for that wood bead part, I feel like it went really well. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.